Cook. She cooks dinner every day. He cooks rice in the kitchen. He cooks rice in the kitchen. Cut. She cuts the vegetables. He cuts the meat into pieces. He cuts the meat into pieces. Chop. She chops the onions. He chops the carrots. He chops the carrots. Slice. She slices the bread. He slices the tomatoes. He slices the tomatoes. Peel. She peels the potatoes. He peels the apple. He peels the apple. Wash. She washes the vegetables. He washes the rice. He washes the rice. Mix. She mixes the ingredients. He mixes flour and milk. He mixes flour and milk. Stir. She stirs the soup. He stirs the sauce slowly. He stirs the sauce slowly. Pour. She pours the milk into the cup. He pours water into the pot. He pours water into the pot. Add. She adds salt to the soup. He adds sugar to the tea. He adds sugar to the tea.